Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys this unique stuff most people might not know yet, but it's very important for you to know. So there is this option on Facebook that disables you from being searched. Now, what I mean is when somebody search you on any social media or any search engine, it displays your profile which you are making use of on your Facebook, or it shows your profile to people and they can easily see your Facebook profile, click on it, and then get to know a little things about you, which is risky at the point and also important at the point. Now, if this is what I mean by searching, you can either go to google.com and then on the search engine just go ahead and type on the person's name. For instance, my name is Trust Stanley, and then I type it. Now you can notice the first result that came in is my Facebook profile. Now anybody that clicks on it gets to see my Facebook detail, can add me as friend or whatever. And then when you scroll down, you see other Pinterests and uh, Hello Pals. But the thing I want to be focusing on is your Facebook. Now I want to teach you guys how to disable this particular option from displaying your profile on Facebook. I mean on Google search or on Bing. You can also check another search engine called Bing to confirm this. When you search your profile name or anybody's profile name, you get to see Facebook detail. This one is currently my YouTube detail and it hasn't seen Facebook yet. It's actually going to crawl it out now. This is my Facebook details. So this just probably proves that every information you put online is vital, and no matter what your name is, you can go ahead and try it out with anybody's name and you won't be surprised it appears. So let me try someone. It just displays the person's profile detail. Now you can see the Facebook profile details. So all the whole search engine you can see always add this, and this is very risky for some people because it means anybody can easily search and get your details online. So but now we have a good news. You can disable this on your Facebook application. All you need to do is to go over to your Facebook app, open it up, and then click on this menu icon right here. Scroll down to the bottom where it says settings and privacy, click on it, and then click on the settings. And when you scroll down to your privacy settings, go ahead and check it out, and then go down to the bottom and you can notice where it says do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile. All you need to do is to click on it, and then you can see this toggle action that says allow search engine outside of Facebook to link to your Facebook profile. Now go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this, you can notice this option right here that says are you sure you want to disable public search. Turning off this means that your friends may not be able to find your profile if they use a search engine outside of Facebook. Yes, of course. Now you can see Facebook actually allows this to make the communication more social and more transparent and more able to reach other people. So but then most people can abuse this by making use of this and tracking people or spying on people, which is totally wrong. So if you disable this setting, it also helps you to block out of some things that are very important. That's if this is your personal profile and you don't want people to see or to take advantage of it, just go ahead and toggle it off. And then once you do that, go ahead and back out and you've done the settings for this tutorial. So if this video helped you, I'll be discussing it more next time. I really appreciate if you watch it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel below. Click on the subscription button below to the subscribe button below, and then make sure you share the video with your friends if it helped you, and always make sure you leave your search engine option turned off so that people will not be spying on you illegally. So guys, see you guys soon, and make sure you watch other videos from TS Tech by going to my channel to watch more of my video. All right, make sure you follow up and watch more of my videos soon.